Okay. We're learning how to film get this close to thing. What we're going to do is we're going to face this nut off. It has a bad spot on it, just for practice. This is kind of my start. I had a request for some beginner videos for lathe beginners. This is chucked in here tightly. This may not be the proper bit. I guess that's how we'll learn. Somebody tell me using the wrong bit. I can't put a facing bit in this way because the jaws are almost even. And the way this works, I can take the tailstock off back here and just use all this. So you don't need the tailstock. That's what I like. So here we go. Let's hope for the best. We're not going to use a real fast speed because of what we're doing. I have to kind of look around the camera. We're not going to use any oil, so it's flinging on my camera. Okay, we're going to speed it up just a little bit more. We're only going in about a half a thousand this way. Or my compound, that's what they call it. Learn all these things. This is my cross feed that's going in. I don't want to go from the center out. If I was facing off something, I would. Okay, let's try about 1,000. Don't take too big of a bite and have something jam up. We've got our bit angled about the way we should. This bit needs to be redone and sharpened. It's only 1,000th on the dial. If I'm correct, when I measured my micrometer, when you adjust this, it's 1,000 off each side. So here it's just 1,000th off. If you had something round, you know, going the other way, that's taking 1,000th off the side. It's not the total on the dial. I know they call them direct reading and everything. I just gonna remember that. That's what I'm taking off per side. But I'm not gonna go in while I'm in there. Jam up something. I want to know where I'm set at. Here, this time we're going to go 1,500 on the dial. Go. That would be about 2. 2 seems to work pretty good. I'm getting a little more off. You know that probably isn't perfect, even though it's flat against the jaws. Okay, we're going to stop and see what it looks like. I'm going to shut off the switch. There's a little bit left up here, which I don't think it's going to show up on camera. This thing doesn't like to zoom when it's on record. It's kind of hard because I can't get the camera over facing this direction. I wouldn't be able to work. I'm straddling the tripod. There is a little bit left on there, but you get the idea. So if I go in this way, I'm too close to the jaws with all this stuff. You get all this over here towards the jaws, I mean, you got to be really careful. You have to measure out before you ever start the lathe. You have to measure how far this is going to go, which I never go over the edge. That way it's stable. But you have to measure where all this goes so nothing hits. Just a quick little short video. We'll see what it looks like on YouTube. I know you get shadows. I'm using the light from outside. You can tell just moving my hands. But just short test video to see how good it looks on the computer. I have a laptop I watch my stuff on. I'm sure this shows up a lot better on a big screen. But thanks for watching this short one. Okay, we're almost done. Give me for the fan in the background. I guess I could start off, but when it gets hot I have to have it. We have just a little bit left here before this is completely flat. So, we'll show it in action again here. Everything's still oily, that's why I figured I'd film a little. I start putting oil on there, it's going to be a mess all over. I wish I could zoom in a little better. Maybe I'll invent a camera mount that gets in here closer. Do not ask me why this could cut coming out without adjusting anything. Somewhere on YouTube, I seen some comments on a little small lathe where somebody said that. With all the play in this stuff, it's not precise equipment. I see where it could probably roll forward a little bit. Okay, we're going to do 1/1000th with it coming out. Find if we take 2/1000ths off, it gets a little shaky on the machine and it almost gets a little bit too much for it. We'll do it one time. We're going to go 2/1000. If you went any more, it would probably be pretty nasty sounding. This is a very sharp bit. It's almost too sharp. I'm still learning to get the right angles going into the work too. Here's the 1 o'clock whistle, means lunch is over, if anybody can hear it. Getting to the point we're going to need some oil. One more pass. I'd rather have strings than clunky chips, especially when I build small stuff. Okay, we'll reach over and we'll shut this off. The lathe does bear down a little bit. You gotta figure, those treadmill motors are made to have a flywheel on them. We're almost there. Take this right off the tripod. We're almost there. We get done, we'll have a couple pictures, and it'll be into this video. So with the light changing, even I've noticed filming out here with the leaves blowing in the wind, the light coming through the windows, oh, it'll definitely make shadows and change. But we'll have some pictures of this when it's done.